What's good, guys? It's Liv here from Neighbourhood and welcome to our February HubSpot update and the first one of the year. After some time away from the tools, we're back to give you the scoop on everything HubSpots rolled out over the past couple months as they continue to shake up the platform to ensure that you can better market, sell, and service your customers through 2022. Today, we'll be covering improvements in custom report building, connection of domains, deal stage forecasting, multi-step custom feedback surveys, and a bunch more. So let's get into it. Jumping headfirst into the public betas, HubSpot has offered greater utilization on feedback functionality across the last 2 months. First up being post-chat feedback. Keen to fine-tune your customer journey through their experiences via chat or support agents? Well, now you can collect customer satisfaction feedback on conversations over chat right away. This extends onto the next public beta feature in play, which is multi-step customer feedback surveys. HubSpot users are now able to build custom feedback surveys piece by piece with the new multi-step feature. It gives your surveys the opportunity to be engaging and in turn drive higher survey response rates. Win-win. With customer feedback surveys ticked off, new this week is smart reporting opportunities with sample reports in the custom report builder. So what is this? You can now access new pre-built sample reports developed to answer your top questions. Rather than breaking a sweat from building reports entirely from scratch, sample reports offer you a new starting point when building reports with HubSpot's custom report builder. But wait, there's more. Smart chart guides have also been added to this feature to assist with forming your reports based on selected fields. Smart charts take the guesswork out of the equation and help you visualize your data as best as possible. Select what fields you want to report on and let HubSpot paint you the full picture. Next up is tickets. With the latest update, you're now able to create a new ticket straight from a custom object record page. So, how does this work? All you have to do is hit Add on Tickets in the right-hand sidebar to create and associate your new ticket. Next cab off the rank is the ability to add products from Shopify and several other apps as line items on deals and quotes. As long as your Shopify products are synced into HubSpot, then you're good to go. Products synced from other apps built on the e-commerce bridge API like WooCommerce and Magento Connector, as well as custom integrations into HubSpot, can be used as line items on deals and quotes, ensuring product information is now consistent between systems. Lastly, and what's been a major public beta update, is the ease of connecting subdomains and Apex domains for customers using the likes of IO, NOS, and GoDaddy as DNS providers. Has your blood pressure perked up a bit when trying to connect a domain to HubSpot? Well, now an integrated flow known as Domain Connect within HubSpot's UI has been set up to guide customers through the setup process for subdomains and Apex domains. All right, let's now see what's live and kicking in HubSpot's live features for this month's HubSpot update. Though Hublet has not graced the APAC or Latin American region yet, when signing up with HubSpot, users can now override and select their preferred data hosting location, when previously they were auto-assigned. A small change, yet greater flexibility, so no complaints there. Next is a question bank for custom feedback surveys. Put simply, you now have the ability to select previously used survey questions from a question bank to easily build a custom feedback survey. Much like a drag and drop email builder, you'll now have FAQs on standby that matter the most to your business. Now, if you're like us, we absolutely love free stuff, and it's safe to say that HubSpot has definitely heard us. Single sign-ons are now up for grabs in trials, meaning enterprise trial portals are now able to be set up and logged into seamlessly, ensuring users can test SSO prior to determining if it's right for them. In case you missed it, HubSpot's integration with QuickBooks Online offers the users to create invoices directly from a deal record in HubSpot, view invoice info, and see payment events on the deal timeline. Within this live update, HubSpot have created 3 QuickBook workflow actions available for deal and quote workflows. First is a QuickBooks invoice, one that automatically creates an invoice in QuickBooks. If the deal or quote triggering the workflow was paid using the HubSpot payments tool, this workflow can now create a paid invoice in QuickBooks for non-taxable products. Second is a QuickBooks estimate, which automatically creates an estimate in QuickBooks. Third is a sales receipt. If the deal or quote triggering the workflow was paid using HubSpot payments, this workflow action can also create a paid sales receipt in QuickBooks. Also live is deal stage forecasting. You're now able to use the deal stages to forecast revenue sooner. Gone are the days of having to learn, configure, and set forecast categories to view data. Now you'll automatically see deal groups by stage, allowing users to utilize this info to project revenue. Finally, in the midst of being rolled out is association history, granting you visibility into the history of record associations. This tool allows you to see the the details of changes made and empower you with greater control and viewability on data. To wrap up, we're stoked to say that our second episode of Summer of Selling with Brad Hooker, CRO for Nutra Organics, went live as he uncovered the sales tools and templates he's used to help scale Nutra to where it is today. If you've missed it, don't sweat it, as our next speakers, Kim Horner and Jessica Bryant from AIF, come on in to discuss the power of aligning sales and marketing and how they've used HubSpot to do just that. And that's it for this month. I hope you enjoyed these updates and are as keen as we are to start implementing them today. But of course, if you need a hand ensuring that you're making the most from your HubSpot investment, let us know. If you need someone to tell you where your current usage in HubSpot is letting you down, what you could optimize and clean up, or what you're not using to its maximum potential, sign up for a portal audit today. We've pushed out a bunch of audits recently for companies in a variety of different industries, using HubSpot to varying levels. But the best part is, these are completely free, so there's absolutely no reason not to. But for now, that's all from me. Happy HubSpotting.